Hi guys, this is Jake with Think Free Live Free. This morning I am trying to get the ceiling fan installed on my 2015 Ram ProMaster. Just wanted to show you here my Maxxair Fan Deluxe came, and I'm eager to get that put in, because once I get that put in, I can possibly do the ceiling as soon as my solar panels come and I get the solar panels installed. I can do the ceiling and install the puck lights and be done with that part of it. For the fan install, you're going to need butyl tape. So I got the die-core butyl tape. You'll need that. Lap sealant, a self-leveling lap sealant. If you want to put a trash bag underneath to catch the metal filings as you're sawing from upstairs, you can do that. It's probably not a bad idea. Less cleanup to do later and less metal filings in your van. Alright guys, I'm ready to cut this roof open. The weather is not looking great, but we're going to try to do our best. I got my hole marked, so I'm going to cut that out first, drill some pilot holes, and then cut that out. Okay, so you can see there I started with a smaller drill bit, put 4 corner holes. And now I'm gonna use this mother here that's big enough for my jigsaw blade, just so I can go from one side to the other. Just take your time, people, with it. It is kind of scary a little bit, because I am cutting a big giant hole in my roof. So I'm just putting some painter's tape just before I cut this last piece. That way it won't drop on me. Okay, so it fits. I just gotta clean this up really good now. So all I'm doing now is I'm sanding the edges so it's nice and smooth, and then I'll clean it with rubbing alcohol, and then I'm gonna prime it since I cut through that. Some rubbing alcohol, paper towels. Let's clean that up a little bit. Okay, we got some paint and primer here. So I'm just gonna, that exposed metal. So guys, this is a automotive paint and primer. It seems like it's drying really fast. So I've put in about 2-3 coats on there already. So I'm gonna apply the butyl tape now to the sleeve that's going into the hole in the ceiling. I'm gonna apply it to this edge right here. Okay, so I'm applying the butyl tape. I'm putting 3 layers here, so it's even with this rib, since there's valleys here. So we got the butyl tape on the insert, as you can see, right around. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this piece in there now. Oh, we finally got some sun, and I've got all the screws in. I had a couple of problems with the screws not threading, but I'm gonna go ahead and lap seal this, and then we can throw the fan in there. Yeah, so I put that on really thick. I want to make sure there's no water leaking. Alright, the next thing is we'll be bringing up the fan and installing that. Here's the fan. And there's basically just 4 screws. You want to make sure to turn this knob to open it up so that it can expose the screws on the side. It's just a little bit awkward filming here in my parking lot. My neighbor's been working on her car all day right next to me, so it's a bit awkward. I'm trying to record this for you guys so you have a better idea of how this stuff goes. So the ceiling fan it's in. Once I get my electrical hooked up, I will show you how it works. Guys, thank you so much for watching today. If you like the content, please hit the like button, please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you guys. See you next week.